Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to show you how to make your own 5-gallon camping portable water-saving shower. This is a 5-gallon container, very heavy-duty plastic. I am making 2 new ones today, 2 more, and all you require is a 5-gallon container. Make sure it's very heavy-duty plastic. You can purchase them from $10 to $20 or more, depending on the type of plastic you would like to get. This one is very strong plastic. I could fill this up with 5 gallons of water, lift it up on the top handle there. The plastic doesn't even move. Really strong, durable plastic. Anyways, you will need your water tank. You will need your 1/4-inch vinyl micro tubing from drip irrigation, because it's a very affordable and very flexible line. And you will need a drill. You will need gasket sealant, silicone gasket sealant. You're gonna need your box cutter for cutting your tubing, a couple of different sizes of drill bits. And so let me just show you real quick how I put it together. On the breather hole on the back, this is gravity fed, so I use a small drill bit for the breather hole here. That's it. And then this is the cap to control your water flow. I'm going to turn it down this way, and then you need a bigger drill bit for your water fitting connector right here. I already drilled the hole right there, and I am using an elbow from micro drip irrigation right there. Now, because I want this system to be pretty much permanent, when you drill the hole for this fitting, you want it to be really hard, really tight, hard to push that fitting in there. Once it's in there, with that little lip that you see on the fitting, it doesn't come back out. And you're gonna hear a pop when I put this in here. I'm just gonna push it in there just to show you. Hear that pop? Once it's in there, it's not gonna come out. I can lift the tank by this fitting and it's not gonna come out. This one is already finished, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks. And then you cover the outside with the RTV instant gasket silicone. It seals very well. And then you're gonna need some tape, because once you glue that together there, you need to cover the tubing with tape. You don't want it moving while it's drying. And that's about it. And then at the end, depending on how much water flow you want, you can use a bubbler adjustable drip irrigation. This one, you just twist the cap, and this is adjustable if you're into drip irrigation and that sort of thing. I mean, this is from 0 to 14 gallons per hour. You can adjust how much water you want to use. Outdoor camping, what people don't have is water, so why waste it? Another drip irrigation water system is a shut-off valve, and this is another different type. You can turn it on, turn the valve, you can turn it off completely, and there you go. Nice and simple. Have fun.